Hi everyone, myself Darshan GM. Today I am explaining the topic of round robin. Round robin is one of the most popular scheduling method used in the time sharing systems. Every process gets a fixed time silence called a time quantum, and the CPU goes through all process in a circular order. And I am explaining the code with a execution executed in Java, and here is a code. And the program has two main components. The program classes stores ID, process ID at arrival time. BT means bus time, RT means remaining time, CT completion time, TAT is turnaround time, and WT is waiting time. And it's a main program. Inside the main method, we are creating a four process. Here each process has different arrival and burst times. So each process gets a 4 units of CPU time before switching. Finally, we call the round robin function. The function uses to queue manage a process. Initial step, we added the first process into the queue, and time starts at zero. Time starts at zero. Execution loop. The CPU runs uh, until the process of the completed process current queue dot poll. This takes the first available process. We compute how long the process will run, and int int x time is equal to math minute current RT quantum. This process will run for the either its remaining time or a quantum time, whichever is a smaller. We print the execution. System.out.printf the time. Then we reduces the remaining time, increases the total time. Next, we check the process arrived the during this time. This time, if the those process if process at the time executed time at a process at time, those process are added into the queue. If the current process till the remaining CPU the time, add back to the queue. If the remaining becomes zero, we calculate the calculation of a CT turnaround time. The formula of turnaround time is calculated. TAT is equal to CT minus CT, and waiting time is a formula of WT is equal to TAT minus BT, and final result after the process completed, the program prints the result on the table. And here system.out.println pt/tn, this prints the output, and it also prints average waiting time and average turnaround time. This helps evaluate the efficiency of the scheduling, and it shows the output. And here is the output. Execution order. Time will be starts from 0. Here P1 runs for the 4 unit, and time becomes 4, and P2 runs for a 4 units, and time is 8, and P3 runs for a 4 minutes, and time is 12. P4 is runs for a 4 minute, and time 16. P1 runs for a 4 minute, and time 20, P2 runs for 1 minute because it's a completion of time, and time 21, P3 runs for a 4 units, and time 25, P4 runs for a 2 units, and P4 is also complete, and time 27 P1 runs for 2 units, and here is the result. Process ID is equal to P1, P2, P3, P4, and completion type, and the completion time is a 29, 21. P1 completion time is 29, and the P2 completion time is 21, and P3 completion time is 25, and P4 completion time is 27, and TAT is 29, and turnaround time is 29, and 20, 23, 24, and wait time is equal to 19, 15, 15, 18, and total average of TAT is equal to 16.75, and total average of the WT is equal to 24.24. Thank you.